dear students of class 10th, and as you have already studied the internal view and external view of the human heart, you have already seen in the last video about the blood circulation inside the heart, and today you will see the some other topics that is related to the blood circulation in the human heart, in the human blood vessel system. Dear students, let us see that what is the cardiac cycle. So you have to see, you have to learn what is the cardiac cycle. Dear student, cardiac cycle means the flow of the blood inside the heart in one cycle, that is called cardiac cycle. That is input and output of the blood from the heart and into the heart is known as the cardiac cycle. And you can understand the cardiac cycle by love and dove sound. Love and dove sound. These love and dove sound that is produced by the closure of the cardiac valves. And cardiac valves are, as you know, the four types of the cardiac valves are there: semilunar valve, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and pulmonary valve. Therefore, you can learn here about the love sound that is produced by the closure of the semilunar valve, that is the aortic semilunar valve. When they get closed, then the sound produced as love sound, while the dove sound that is produced by the closure of the bicuspid and tricuspid valve. This is by bicuspid and tricuspid valve. And this love sound is produced by the semilunar valve. So these love dove sound that produced in the heart conform the one cycle that is in the heart, and that cycle is called cardiac cycle. So input and output of one circulation of blood is called cardiac cycle. Then, dear students, let us see about the blood pressure. Blood pressure. Dear students, the blood pressure is the pressure that is exerted by the blood on the walls of the arteries and veins, and it is termed as systole and diastole. Systole and diastole. So systole and diastole are related to the blood pressure, and it is measured as the Hg. Like the normal blood pressure of human is 120/80, means 120 is the systole and 80 is the diastole. Now let us see what is systole. Systole is the contraction of the heart, so that blood can be pumped from the heart to the different parts of the body, while diastole is the relaxation of the heart, so that heart can collect the blood from all parts of the body. So this is the systole and diastole. Contraction is the systole and relaxation is the diastole, and it ensures the blood pressure, normal blood pressure that has to be maintained for the regular circulation of the blood inside the human body through the vessels, through the blood vessels. After this cardiac cycle and blood pressure, you will be able to understand the whole concept of the blood circulation, blood vascular system, and other related content which that you have already studied. So dear students, now after this cardiac cycle and blood pressure, let us see about the other topic, that is hypertension. Hypertension is a disease that is created by the high blood pressure. If pressure is exerted on the inner walls of the artery and veins, that is increased, that creates the that create the high blood pressure, and due to the high blood pressure the disease arises, which is known as hypertension. So hypertension is disease of the blood pressure. Blood pressure. Other diseases, like as I have told you already, I have told you that coronary heart disease. Coronary heart disease means the disease which is created by the blockage of the cholesterol inside the coronary artery, which supply the blood to the heart itself for the proper functioning. And if blockage is there, then that will create the disease that is called coronary heart disease, and that will be also responsible for the another type of hypertension. And if it will be severe, then there will be the blockage of this coronary artery, which results the failure of the blood vascular system or heart in that patient. After that, dear students, let us see about the heartbeat and pulse rate. So, if one cycle get completed, if one cycle of love is completed, that will be counted as heartbeat. Heartbeat. If one cycle of love, that is known as the heartbeat. And it leads to the pulse rate also. It continues in the vessels of the blood inside the human body, and it leads to the pulse rate. Pulse rate. Therefore, dear students, the pulse rate and blood pressure is different things. Blood pressure is the pressure exerted by blood in the wall of the artery and vein, while pulse rate that is the continuation of the heartbeat, which arises due to the love and the sound as a result of the closure of the semi-lunar wall. After that, you have to know about the double circulation. The double circulation is found only in the higher mammals. Higher mammals like human, and human perform the double circulation. One circulation, that is the systemic circulation. Systemic circulation means the circulation inside the whole systems of the body, while another is the pulmonary circulation. This pulmonary circulation is for the oxygenation and deoxygenation of the blood from the heart to lungs and from lungs to heart. So there is another type of connection between the heart and lung. As you know that pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood that is going to the lungs, and pulmonary vein that is coming from the lungs and carrying oxygenated blood to the heart. And finally, by the aorta, systemic circulation takes place, which is as a result of the contraction of the ventricle. Systemic circulation through the aorta takes place. So dear students, these are the some important topics that is related to the blood vascular system and blood circulation of human. And further let us see about the lymphatic vessels and lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is the system which is responsible for the transportation as well as the immune system of the human. Lymphatic system is consisted of lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes. Lymphatic vessels carry the fat which get deposited wherever it is required, and lymph carry lymphocytes. So lymphocytes form the lymphatic system. Lymphocytes form the lymph which flow in the lymphatic system, and these lymphocytes are of two types: T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte. B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes. So these are two lymphocytes are there that are responsible for the maintenance of the immune system of human. My dear students, in the next video you will see about the detail about the lymphatic system, which is the second part of the transportation in human. Thank you very much.